abahambe.
Yabona i-performance kaSipho Mbuli only needed i-goal phela. It only needed i-goal. That's it. Ayikho into angayizamanga lo mfo namhlanje. Singabe siyamsukela uma singathi uMbuli akanikelanga konke anako kule game le. He tried to occupy those tight spaces. He tried to penetrate with ama balls to Abu Police and Abonkota. He did everything. He was taking shots at goal. Sekuyikona ukuthi nje akakoranga. Yokuphela into enza kubeka ngazathi imizamo yakhe ibe yizeleze, but otherwise this guy did everything. He left his heart on the pitch. But even though I think tactically Hugo Broos got it wrong by playing him 90 minutes because i-engine kaMbuli ayikaqini kahle. Bekumele adonse uMbuli afaka umrem athathe uApolice amise ku10 until uApolice akwazi ukudlala u10 because uApolice was one of the bright players bekungafanele aphume. So kodwa angikhali kakhulu ngoSipho Mbuli. Kunala uMbuli bafethu was being pressed by 3 guys. Umbuli but still was requesting for a ball. Being pressed by 3 guys, and somehow he wiggled his way out of that situation. Was a conductor pass. Ayikho mina into engamsola ngayo Zamile as a number 10. Yabo. Umuntu engamsola. Ile striker said.
Chapunjal Bafethu, Bafana's hopes of getting to the World Cup next year Bafethu are no longer in their hands. Bafethu, we have to hope for something now. Benin need to lose against Nigeria Bafethu. South Africa need to beat Rwanda in their last qualifier with a lot of goals Bafethu. Yangithola ezenibona nane groupini la Bafethu ukuthi Benin lead the group with 17 points, Bafana on 15, Nigeria on 14 as well Bafethu. So it has become a group of death Bafethu. From a group of comfort for Bafana, now it has suddenly become a group of death Bafethu. We tried our best Bafethu, a lot of box entries, a lot of shots at goal Bafethu, mara ibhola belingeke lingene ipali namhlanje Bafethu. Yabona kube igame be 4 hours. I think that goal Bafethu besingeke silithole Bafethu. It was very tough for Bafana namhlanje Bafethu, and yeah, it's frustrating, yes, but at this point Bafethu, we have to look at that last game Bafethu against Rwanda on Tuesday. Mbombela Stadium, it needs to be filled Bafethu, and also hope for Nigeria to do something Bafethu against the Benin, because as well nabo bayafuna ukufika lapha la sifuna ukufika khona Bafethu. So yeah, kunzima kakhulu Bafethu. Salute.
There's no need ukuthi Bafana iblame eZimbabwe ukuthi badlale ezibadlala ifinal World Cup. If you are best, khombisa uba best kwakho. Bafana bekumele iwin early game kube ngempela beyimisele ngalo 3 points ukuthi bayawudinga. Ukuthi njengoba sebe under pressure kanje, that means abekho ready. Abekho strong enough ukuthi bangaqualify or bedlala kuma big stages. There's no need ukuthi iZimbabwe bedlale ukuthi iBafana bedlalele beyiphe ama goals ukuthi iwine kanjalo. iBafana ihluleka ubreaker lo yadonga eleZimbabwe labo Teenage Hadebe goalkeeper lapho kuArubi. If behlulekile ukwenza lokho, that means abekho ready. Even ucoach waBafana kuma big stages uyahluleka ukumanage iBafana uyahluleka ukwenza ukeeper something out of nothing. Isap yokeeper uNkotha ibingeke isidingo sayo. uNkotha bedingakala ngespeed sakhe uba quick kwakhe ama dribbling zakhe ukufaka umdlalo njengomrena. Yes ubungamdinga umrena mhlawumbe ngo 17 minutes, but bemele ubone ukuthi mhlawumbe lo first 15 minutes uNkotha uphetheni. Ama sub Bafana bengakhombisi badinga iwin. After knowledge Msona sithole red card, coach why unga introduce striker ubadlalise half ground laba bantu Mahupa le bengithi le sub kaMahupa keeper uModibo uzoyenza early after uMsona ethole red card. But ke coach Bafana Hugo Broos bafowethu ukhombisile ukuthi ma big stages uyahluleka. He was doing so well bafowethu from laphana nje ku game 1 game 2 manje ngama last games usiyahluleka, but Bafana isenawo ama chances ukuthi win. Obviously game yokugcina mele beyiwina dark or blue mele beyiwine. Okucela ukuthi Nigeria njengoba ilambele kangaka le game inethemba ukuthi Bafana nga draw, so Nigeria obviously izoyishaya eBenin. I know that izoyishaya Bafana igame emele win ye Rwanda kuphela. Sipho Mbuli bafowethu, I think he was the only player who was really trying. He was trying bafowethu Mbuli. Kodwa ke I think bengasidi Bafana sibona abo Foster beshama pali benza ama save anga understanding ubona ukuthi cishe kune black magic la kwiZimbabwe. But ke bafowethu game bengesiye bafana namuhla. Coach belenza kancane ama
Why are they celebrating like they won? Why are they so happy with the draw, Zimbabwe? They just came here to disturb us, and Hugo Bruce, I love you. I do love you, and I backed you, and you've changed Bafana in South African football. But Lyle Foster, we need to be honest about that guy now. Enough is enough about Lyle Foster. You could even start with Makgopa. I'm sure Makgopa would have scored that 1-on-1. Or if not, Lyle Foster, he led to people there in front of you. You're there. People are there in front. Give it to our police. And another thing, Lyle Foster pissed me off. We need a goal in the box in the last 9 minutes. He's busy rolling around on the floor. There's no time, but they step on your foot. Yeah, get up and carry on playing. We need a goal, man. And you see, that's why I made the video early. I need Nigeria to win both games. I need Nigeria to beat Benin. That's it. If Nigeria beats Benin 1-0, 2-0, whatever, they go to 17. I can't even remember the points now.
17.
I think they go to 17.
Wait, they're going to 16.
And then we on 15. We must when we go to 18. I don't know. I could be wrong on those calculations. I'm not thinking straight at the moment because we can't not go to the World Cup, guys. You see, like, all respect, Palace players, you guys do play well, but we need Mamelodi Sundowns here. Guys, I'm angry. Bro, I don't know when else I've been this angry. Not even Kaizer Chiefs has made me this angry. I don't know what to... Rwanda, penalty! Oh, God, sorry, Rwanda's playing now.
Yeah.
And Rwanda are on attack. If Rwanda score, I'll be so happy. But yeah, guys, I don't know. Hey, we need to start Makgopa, man. Come on. You know what? I'd even have thrown him to Shabalala in that game. Just for that low pace and what he does. Guys, we're seriously not going to the World Cup. Seriously not going to the World Cup. Because Benin just won their game now.
There you have it. That's football. That's the beauty of the game. The odds do not play football. The players do. The plan does. Odds do not play football. Going into the game, South Africa had the upper hand in terms of odds. The scoreline is 0-0. That's football. That's what I said in my previous video. Have a room for disappointment. Have a room for disappointment. It won't be easy as you think, and there you had it. They went pound for pound with us. Zimbabwe didn't hold back. They wanted a draw, actually. Their goalkeeper wanted a draw. That's what I said in my previous video. I said they will want a draw. The goalkeeper will want a draw. They have very good goalkeepers. I said they will look for a draw. You have a Lyle Foster who plays in the Premier League. He cannot be selfless and put himself aside and pass to teammate so we can score. But I'm not here to do that. I'm not here to criticize players. I'm just here to say that their hopes may be dead at this moment. I don't see us qualifying at this current moment. I think Benin, I mean, if you're saying there's still a big chance for us to qualify, you'd be looking down on Benin. You'll really be looking down on Benin. I think they have a fairly good chance to qualify, and they deserve it, you know. Oh, Nigeria, they also deserve it. They fought back after everyone was like, they're out of the run. So good try, but I just think that experience had to come in this game. The players are not experienced enough we're not experienced enough to handle the game. Mbokazi is busy fighting people. We want a goal. We have 6 minutes added on. We want a goal. You are busy lifting players upside down. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. There was little time to do that. Mbokazi must really be told to calm down on the pitch. Be composed. We have a very important game after this one. He will not be there. Already we're at disadvantage. There's not really much to criticize in this game. It's just
you guys are making it sound like Mbokazi just was pushing that guy. That guy would don't say
unlucky. Zimbabwe just didn't want us to win. You also saw that they didn't want us to win. So that's football. There's nothing we can do about it now. It has happened. Last game didn't just push one.
Yo,
but again, you're trying football,
to attack when we are pulling me, bro.
Easily, or we may lose it on a worst case scenario. In fact, we may draw it on a worst case scenario. We don't need a draw. We don't need a loss. But I blame this one on the technical side of things, on the technical team, people who handle those technological things, the yellow cards. Because the 3 points that they deducted from us was really a setback for us. Man, kudos to the boys. They played. They played. Now the guys played, man.
Yo, this guy.
I don't want to lie to you. It was a very exciting game with no goals. You know,
we said they went pound for pound with our Zimbabwe was defending.
Our own player.
What's going on, guy?
Our fullback, Sundowns fullback. Who's this guy? Divine Lunga. He cannot do that at Sundowns. I think we need to sell him. He's busy running around.
Yabo nje mina mase ngikhuluma iqiniso. Angisoze ngahila kule game yanamhlanje. Ngishawa ipain kubhlungu la. Kodwa it's fine. It's fine. Zimbabwe celebrate ngathi winile, ngathi thiwe Zimbabwe si qualify la kuba fethu. Hayibo. Hayi mina ngeke. Hayi bafethu. Ayiphele le FIFA break ngoba ayilethi lutho empilweni yami ngaphandle kwama pain. Njalo nje pain after pain. Nje. Bengisashaya ipain, ngisashawa ipain enkulu kabi ukuthi under 20 uphumile. Ngisahila naye enye futhi. Yabo nje kusephuma umohawu. Ngasho ukuthi it's about to go down. Wena Divine Lunga wena.
How Zimbabwe? Ayihambane South Africa bafowethu, asishiyeni ezweni lethu hayi. Ayihambana isishiyeni bafowethu. How Zimbabwe? Ayi operation tutula ayintutula ibatutuleni bafowethu hayi. Mfunena ngizwe indaba yabo. Nina 5 point, 9 games. Sis man.
Not Zimbabwe turning into prime Atletico Madrid. Final whistle, ba celebrate ukare ba win a match ba World Cup. Now we are back to relying on Nigeria or win kada rena ka more better Rwanda. How sure are we that we're going to beat Rwanda when we couldn't even beat 10 men Zimbabwe? That was the chance after chance after chance, but just couldn't get the back of the net.
Andazi ngithini. Nigeria iwenzile umsebenzi. Benin iwenzile umsebenzi. Mbokazi asidlale kahle umbule andifuni ukumlibala because imatch le egqibileni iveka ngathi khona izixabaxaba ezenzekayo. Imatch badlale kahle abafana umbule i-chances bezininzi sibethile ipholi. I think ababeni if asibetha more than that, but sidlalile kodwa kufana siwini imatch yethu. Noba siwinile ama sifana sithandaze futhi beNigeria izokwenza ukukhohlakala izibethise ngeBenin. Sabazi kalo. But yes, so Themba sobona next week.
That's it for your video namhlanje. Those were the people I was reacting to. Okay. Here's my take on the game. Sidlale kahle. We just played, we just couldn't score.
We played kahle, we just couldn't score. Okay, cool. We can blame Foster for that. Because kuleya chance, bro, like you literally just pass to a police and a police finishes the game. Sekoneni is chai. Because Zimbabwe was not attacking. Kunomchitelo uthi Zimbabwe was playing pound for pound with us. Yini pound for pound? Yini pound for pound? If teams play pound for pound, it's attack versus attack. Bruh, ayikho itimi epari ipass. Magdala pound for pound. There is no parking the bus. There is no counter attacks. No. It's literally just two teams going at each other, bruh. Just pound for pound. Bese athumbokazi uqubula abantu grounding. There are a lot of you guys who have never played Ebola. Who think most grounding nje kumnandi puliwe is fun. Bruh. Like we are playing with my emotions, you're playing with my feelings, and you lose a prize, not fun. Especially when something as a World Cup is at stake. It's not so if that guy is pulling back Mbogazi when Mbogazi is trying to play the ball and start attacking, but Mbogazi in because 1, we are losing the game, pela, and 3, is pulling back Mbogazi. So he was just supposed to be like in the game. He retaliated. What to the red card? He didn't even fight about over because he knew what was wrong. But the fact that you guys are saying Mbogazi, come on, but the game was already over. And my strikers couldn't do their job. Mbogazi defended the whole game. Space, clean job. One mistake where a guy pulls him back and he has to fight for himself saying it's Mbogazi was Lisile. Come on, guys, what the fuck? Excuse my language, because now people are like, and to those Kaizer Chiefs fans who are celebrating, like, come on, I know who's Vela Kona, I'm a Kaizer Chiefs supporters who are not happy, like, I'm not but I celebrate which we didn't get a win. Near lawyer, you guys are not good for environment. Fuck, you guys are not good for umphakathi. You guys give me the energy ukuthi if your sibling were to succeed without needing help, you'd be jealous or be mad because you are succeeding and akadinga usizo lwakho. Because that's exactly what's happening. You guys are mad. The Bafana is playing the way it is playing without Kaizer Chiefs players. When Spain won the World Cup in 2010, literally there were almost 8 players in Barcelona, only 2 in Madrid. No Madrid supporter was like, hey, Barcelona, come on, it's a country, see, country match, bro. Can't believe I'm crashing out. Bro. I was so calm. I was like, calm before this reaction thing. I was so calm, bro. And it will come to America. There's nothing that comes like America, bro. One thing I can tell you, this is gonna be the worst World Cup you've ever seen. Looking at the state America is in. It's mass shootings everywhere, bad to plan every fucking way. It's the right versus the left, blah border, and we are taking the World Cup lapa. Shit. I'll force our faith. And no Bruce like Mishayile, but no one got seen you could Bruce like Mishayile, because how do you support police? How do you support court after 45? Ufago Umrena, a guy on a skill to eliminate defend. Umrena literally has speed pale. That's the only thing I know. Run past defenders. Magusumchita can make you for his speed, shoot Umrena won't deliver across. It means Umrena won't do anything. Utunkota, we know Utunkota can shoot. Mkhampi is not good at eliminating defenders, but he'll give you something. We threat Unkota. Umrena is not a threat. Umrena has never been a threat in Plunak. Fuck, I'm done.